I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Hungry Dog. Hungry Dog is a proud Cebuano homegrown hotdog joint that offers fresh home-style hotdog sandwiches. They offer 6 hotdog sandwiches and they sent me 4 plus these 2 cute Hungry Dog stickers. First, we have this Al Capone or Chicago style, which has pickled relish, tomatoes, mustard, and onions. Next, they have this Don Corleone, so it is a cheesy bacon dog which has cheesy sauce, bacon, and onions. Next is the Heisenberg, so it is a garlic mushroom dog, so it has creamy garlic, mushroom, bacon, and onions. Without bias, I got a feeling money akong favorite. Then the El Chapo, it is a southern style hot dog which has chili con carne, cheese sauce, and onions. Mura creamy kay siya. You can have this Al Capone for 85 pesos only, this El Chapo for 95 pesos, and this Heisenberg for also 95 pesos, and lastly, this Don Corleone for 89 pesos only. To order, you may message the official social media accounts of Hungry Dog in Facebook and on Instagram. And it is available through pickups or deliveries. And for that, mangaon na dayon ta guys! And ako gyud ang unahon ang Heisenberg. Kaysa burgers, ako yung favorite kay bacon mushroom melt burger. So for sure, this will be my favorite variant too. The creamy garlic mushroom sauce plus the bacon, perfect yung kayo. And now let's try the Don Corleone, which is the cheesy bacon dog. So cheese, bacon, plus onions lang yung kayo. Now let's have the El Chapo, which is the southern style, which has chili con carne, cheese sauce, and onions. The chili con carne on top of the hot dog is really good and it's really perfect. Galibog na dayon kung sa kong ganahan. And lastly, the Al Capone. For me, this is like the classic. It has pickles, tomato, mustard, onions. Then again, guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And please continue to stay home, stay safe, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!